Hi again, and welcome to today's press up. Yesterday, or whenever the last press up was, because it might be last week, I'm not sure. We just had a look through the last few bits of the settings. There is one more lot of settings here that we didn't look at. This is actually installed by a plugin that I've used. So I'm going to cover plugins at a later date. Let's pretend this doesn't exist. That's all fine. It's also worth noting that settings only appear here if you are an admin user or have otherwise been given permission to change these settings. Now, you've set your site up, you've installed it, and let's have a look at how it looks. Let's just open it up over here. So it looks okay. It's got this kind of default out of the box theme, which tells WordPress how to display all your pages and posts. We've configured it, we've given it a name and a title and things. So what do we want to do now? Well, we probably want to make it look a bit nicer. This is the bit you've all been waiting for. So we're going to talk about themes today. So to change your theme, and it's worth noting, this is really important, and this is the whole point of using a content management system like WordPress. Changing the theme does not modify your content in any way. So let's just activate a different theme. So this is 2013 that comes pre-installed. These are all named after years, and every year WordPress release a new default theme that comes with WordPress when you install it. So that's why we've got 2013, 2014, 2015. Let's activate this and just go and refresh the homepage. And what you'll see is that it looks completely different, but actually the homepage, the news page and the sample page that we've created, they all still exist. They just have different styling. So changing a theme doesn't change your content. It just changes how it looks when it's presented to the world. We can so we've got these three themes to choose from when we install WordPress, and then we can go and add a whole load of new ones. There are different places you can add them from, but I'll just demonstrate what's called the WordPress repository to begin with. So let's choose something really simple to start with. Let's have a look at this one. Let's go for something a little bit more simple even than that. Let's try this one over here. So let's install McKinley. So first thing you'll need to do, or you can preview it. So you can click preview, and that will give you a bigger version of it with some preset content that shows all of the different styles that come with that theme. We'll go back, we'll just install that, and what that will do, that will copy the theme from the WordPress repository into my WordPress website. Now it's not active yet, so again, if I go back to the home page and refresh the home page, I'll just refresh that, it's still showing 2013. So though I've installed it, I've copied it into my system, it's not active. Now I can also do a live preview here. This is great. If I live preview this, then you will see this doesn't change the theme again. This is just me looking at my content in the styling of this theme that I've selected, and I can choose to see the pages. It should work. Why is that not working? That's not working. It's just showing me the home page at present. So yeah, and it gives me the ability to do some customization here too. I think that did refresh. It was just a bit slow. There you go, there's our sample page. I can actually tweak some of the settings that this theme gives me as well, have a play around. So let's change the background color to a kind of grey blue like that, and you can see that's updated in real time, this bar at the top. Now maybe I'm quite happy with that, and I can click save and activate, and then if I go and refresh my home page, again, my content is presented in a whole new theme. So there's two steps to installing or to putting a theme onto your site. The first is to add it, which downloads it into your system and makes it available for use. And the other is to activate and customize it. And next time we'll come and have a look at the customizer and how that works. So hopefully that all makes sense. Themes can be a bit tricky. Some of them come with more advanced features, and choosing a good theme can be quite difficult, but there's no harm in downloading themes, installing them, previewing them and trying them out to see how they look. Really good way of making your simple website look a whole load better.